Good evening, my dear students. Welcome you all to our English house. Every day I tell you the main purpose of this English house is to speak in English and make my students to speak out. So many students are eagerly waiting and want to speak in English, but really they don't get the path. Path means a way or a platform. They don't get the platform to speak in English. That's why I create this channel and this home, a beautiful home. So I hope you should utilize this opportunity. Okay, right. Today's topic is capabilities. What you can do. Today's topic, capabilities of a student. So, for example, I'm telling, I'm a good teacher because I can teach English and mathematics very easily, and I'm a good singer because I can sing very well, like that. Some capabilities you have to tell right now. And I'm a good cook. I'm a good cooker. I'm a good cook. Yes, because I can cook also so many items. Right, like that. Your capabilities. Capabilities means can structure. Simply, grammatically. Today we are going to discuss about can structure. CAN can. Can means capability. You are capable. Can means. So that today we are going to discuss about can structure symbol. Right. Let us start with one of our participants who Jhansi Rani madam. Good evening. Please unmute. Just tell me all capabilities, not one or two, minimum 10. What can you do in your whole life? Capabilities. I can like that. Loud, loud, loud. A little bit louder. Not audible.
I can take this challenge, I can eat chocolates, I can write a letter, I
Uh,
can pick the flower, I can break the bulb,
but
I can walk
you
on
should
the
speak in
moon, I
English
can listen to
only.
songs, I can hold a
Why to
mirror,
speak in
I can
English?
sing a song, I can
Sorry,
pretend
it's
I
very
know
hard to
every
me.
little secret, I
It's
can
very
show my
hard to
colors,
me.
I can show my
Note
fear, I can
note
show my
down.
imagination,
While
I
I
can
was
make the
speaking in
rain, I
English, you
can make
should
the
note
fire, I
down
can
that
throw the
sentence.
water,
Next
I can
time,
throw the basket, I can see the magic, I can connect with
you
my
don't
friends,
repeat
I
that
can do the
same.
tricycle, I can observe the rainy
It's very
season,
hard to
I can
me
eat
to make those sentences like that. You have to tell. Yes, in the name of Jhansi Rani madam, I am telling right now. Starting, you have to start. Good evening, sir. Good evening, my dear student, my dear friends. Right, I would like to tell my capabilities right now. I'm a good cook. I can cook so many items. I'm a good teacher. I can teach English very well. Like that. What are your capabilities? I'm a good mother. I can look after my children like that. Oh, 4, 5 sentences. Yes, yes. Tell me, I'm waiting for your reply. Hmm. Mm. Okay, good try, good try. Mm. Biryani and chicken fry, right? Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. I can cook. You shouldn't use can. I can cook biryani and something like that. I can cook. You should use can structure. Today we are going to discuss about can structure. In every sentence, you should use can. I can. I can. Mm. Yes. Mm. What do you can? Looking for. Okay. Right. Very good. Mm. Ah, okay. Right. Good. Good. If you note down in a paper, you shouldn't feel like this. Every day, I tell you, uh, before coming to this class, you should prepare a small notes which contains minimum 10 sentences. It will give you more energy to you. Yes, sir. Good evening, my dear student, my dear friends. Good evening, sir. Yes, sir. I can do something. I can do something. I can sing. I can dance. I can run. I can walk. I can drink. I can eat. Right? You should use verbs only. I can and verb. I can drink. I can eat. I can walk. I can run. I can sleep. Like that. Okay. Next time, in tomorrow's class, you should make a notes before enter the English house. Okay, madam. Right. Thank you for your participation. Next, experience. Right, right. Issues. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Supportive. Right. Good. Mhm. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Right, right, right. Very good. Very good. Means you should work hard more than remaining students. You should work hard and you have to prove what you are. What is Jhansi Rani? You have to prove. Yes, good days are there. Don't worry. I will stand behind you. And next, thank you. Thanks for your participation. Next, move to Jagadishwari. Jagadishwari, hi, hello. Yes, good. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, good. Can you please tell me your capabilities? What capabilities do you have? Do you have? Question also. Just listen the sentences also. How I am asking these questions. Question also important. No? Yes, Jagdishri, please tell me your capabilities. I can. Okay, I can learn new things, right? Good. Actually, Jagdishri, learning is not a capability. You should remember that point. You can learn. You can learn. It's not a capability. You have to learn. It's our responsibility. It's our duty, not a capability. Okay. All right. Good. Next.
List. I can ask
Next.
any question by the Gauri sir. I can tell any answer within second. I can use these opportunity. I can try to
Hmm.
hard work. I can teach more languages. I
Within
can
time. Within
handle
time.
these
Next. Good.
situations.
Very good.
I can learn more than one language. I can convince my friends easily to join this group. I can steal others' heart easily. I cannot drop my job. I can arrange
Hmm.
the meeting with the politicians. I can defect my friends.
I can
I
do work
cannot
hard.
describe as well
What
as
is that,
students.
Jagdishri?
I can reach my
I can.
goal.
I I cannot do work. I can okay do work. Do work. After can you should use verb only. After can you should use verb. A single verb. Okay. Do also a verb. Work also a verb. So you should use one of the those two verbs. I can work. I can work hard. I can do. Okay. Right. Next. Only one sentence, Jagdishri. I can. I can do. I can do within time. Only one sentence. So many verbs are there in English. Nearly 3,000 verbs are there. 3,000. We can make simply 3,000 sentences. Hmm? You can cook well. Everybody cook well only. Next. Any other words? Right, good. Thank you so much. Next, Aisa, start your race. Yes. Okay. Fine, thank you. What about you? Hmm. Today, I would like to. Today, I would like to. Uh, right, good. Uh, hey, can only can use can. I spent only I can. Next verb. I can read any books. Sentence is capability. Capability means how different you are from another person. Means I can read 100 pages in 1 minute. Like that. Can means. Hmm. Okay, next. Delicious food. Mm-hmm. Mm. I eat uh, very well. Right. Thank you so much for your participation. Can means your capability. Whenever you use can in a sentence, It resembles a strong power. A strong power. Venkateswara and Rajni, I will give one chance to Rajni and Venkateswara. Rajni, hi Rajni, please unmute. Good evening, good evening. Please some more sentences of capabilities. What capability within you? Hmm. Okay. Thank you, thanks for your participation. Venkateswar Rao, hi Venkateswar Rao. Yesterday also I didn't hear you. Now can you please tell me your capabilities? What can you do? Good evening. Hmm. Okay, right, very nice, very nice. Right, thank you, thanks for your participation. Um, okay, today I want to explain you what can structure. First of all, thank you so much all of you to participate in this week.